Alright, Rick James here again, bitches. So on that Triton motor, it ended up stripping the threads out of the spark plug hole. I'm pretty sure that's what happened. Anyway, so I'm going to have to deal with that now. But I just thought I'd give you an update on, why your plug blew out of there in the first place. Sometimes it could be loose, didn't get in there all the way, and over time it works its way out. But in this case, it ripped the threads out. So, anyways, that sucks, but oh well, it is what it is. Later.